Pakistan, we need to talk. Something is happening right under our noses, something big, something unsettling. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's changing everything. Remember those targeted ads popping up on your phone? AI, your newsfeed magically knowing what you want to see? AI again. It's creeping into our lives, subtly weaving itself into our daily routines. But here's the thing, it's not just about convenience anymore. This technology is evolving at a breakneck speed, and the implications for Pakistan are huge. We're talking about a future where machines could be making decisions that directly impact our lives. From the jobs we do to the security we rely on, AI is poised to reshape Pakistani society as we know it. And the scariest part, most people don't even realize it's happening. Let's talk about jobs, the cornerstone of any society. On the one hand, AI promises increased efficiency and productivity. Imagine AI-powered factories in Faisalabad churning out goods at lightning speed. Imagine AI-driven customer service streamlining businesses across Karachi. This is the potential upside, a more efficient, automated Pakistan. But there's a flip side, a dark side. What happens when those factory workers are replaced by machines? What happens when AI chatbots render entire call centers obsolete? This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the very real threat of job displacement, and it's something we need to be prepared for. AI could create a whole new class of digital have-nots, left behind in the wake of this technological revolution. We need to be asking ourselves, how do we ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all Pakistanis, not just a select few? How do we equip our workforce with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven world? Ever get the feeling you're being watched? Well, in the age of AI, that feeling might not be paranoia. Facial recognition technology, predictive policing algorithms. These aren't just plot points in a dystopian thriller, they're being implemented right now, in cities across Pakistan. Proponents argue that AI surveillance will make our streets safer, helping law enforcement track down criminals and prevent crime. And sure, there's a certain appeal to that, but at what cost? What about our right to privacy? What about the potential for misuse and abuse of this technology? We've seen how easily technology can be used for oppression, for silencing dissent, for controlling populations. We need to be having serious conversations about the ethical implications of AI surveillance in Pakistan. Do we want to live in a society where our every move is tracked and analyzed, where Big Brother is always watching? So is it all doom and gloom? Absolutely not. But we need to act fast. We need to be proactive, not reactive. This starts with education. We need to equip our young people with the skills to navigate this new world: coding, data analysis, AI ethics. Our education system needs a major overhaul, one that prioritizes critical thinking and problem-solving over rote memorization. But it's not just about the youth. We need upskilling programs for workers in every sector so they're not left behind by the AI revolution. This is where the government needs to step up. We need investment in AI research and development. We need policies that encourage responsible AI innovation while protecting workers' rights and privacy. We need to be having national conversations about the future we want to build with AI. The future is here, Pakistan. It's time to wake up, speak up, and take control of our destiny in the age of AI.